Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Rajiv Pujala. In this video, we will see how we can clear the data in a sheet. For example, in this specific sheet, you can see there are three sheet tabs: sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. Let's see that. Assume that you have a requirement to clear all the data in this sheet. So usually how we will do, we'll select all the data and we'll click on delete button on the keyboard, or and we can achieve the same using the app script as well. It's very easy. So let's open the app script, click on extensions and choose app script over here. And it may take around 5 to 6 seconds to open this window. And you can see that there are like multiple functions that I already wrote. So click on the plus sign over here to create a new script and choose a script here and clear a sheet. I'm naming this one and I'm deleting everything over here. Function, I would like to, sorry for the typos. So clear values, I'm naming this one. So always ensure that whatever the function name that you're keeping, ensure that the function name, it matches with whatever you're writing over here. So by looking at the function name, it should give you the insights that, oh, okay, by executing this function we can clear all the values, right? So now let's go back to our spreadsheet and we can see they're like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and even before that we have this entire sheet. So we have to access this sheet. How we can access? So let it be like, I'm creating a variable name called spreadsheet is equal to spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. So basically I'm calling this whole spreadsheet over here, and within the spreadsheet there are three tabs. So I wanted to go into sheet 1, so we have to make this as an active function. So I'm keeping it as an active function and I'm naming it as sheet is equal to spreadsheet dot get sheet, um, by name. You can, or else you can, instead of writing, you can click on a tab, it automatically fills the function for you. And I wanted the data in sheet 1, right? Sheet 1. So if in case if you want to see what is the active function over here, logger dot log the active sheet in this spreadsheet is, so plus sheet. If in case if you have not watched my previous videos, I strongly recommend to go through that so that you understand what exactly all these lines are. So now click on save, and you can see what are the function we name we wrote here. It is reflecting here, and click on run. So basically, if sheet 1 is available, it will give you this one here. And now, because sheet 1, if sheet 1 is available, we want to go through this one. If in case the sheet 1 is not available, if you run this function, it will throw an error. For example, let's quickly see this one. Let's assume that the sheet name is like sheet 4. Okay, and the sheet 4, it's not over here. And whenever you run this one, it will look for the sheet 4, and it gives something like this is like null. So rather than what, if the sheet is like matching, then I would like to go into the specific sheet and I want to clear all the values over there. So how we can do this one? So sheet dot get, I'm sorry, right? So once you run this one, it will give you the name of the sheet, sheet 1. If in case if I look for sheet 4 here, click on run, it is throwing an error because it looked for sheet 4 and the sheet 4 is not here, and then it is throwing an error. So what we can do, so I wanted to execute the program only if the sheet 1 is available. So what we can do, so let's keep it sheet 1, and if sheet, which means that if the sheet 1 is available, then execute the other program. I'm commenting this one. Okay, and then, or else you can keep this inside this function, so basically it will not give you any error going forward, right? If sheet is available, if sheet, then sheet dot, here sheet is nothing but sheet 1, sheet dot clear, and logger dot log. So let's give a function like sheet 1 is cleared, right? That's it. This is as simple as that. Let's, so now we have values over here, the data over here. So let's go and click on run. The sheet one is cleared. Now once we go back here, we can see that all the values are like gone. And if in case if you click on control Z, you can get back the values. I'm not sure, but when I was working on Excel VBA, if I delete any values in the Excel VBA, and whenever I click on control Z or command Z, it never returns back the values. But there is one feature over here in the Google Sheets is that even if you clear all the values using the macros, right, and then if you click on command Z, if you're using the MacBook or control Z, it will return back the values for you. This is one of the features that I really liked here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best for your all learnings, and please do watch all the rest of the videos in this playlist. Thank you.